being apprehended. The accused has been flanked and supported by his politically influential godfathers who seemed...
Madam Obiango,
Yes?
are you submitting or testifying?
I'm submitting. Tongue in cheek.
Okay.
And he has declared, as you have seen in the video that has been presented, that he will only surrender to law enforcement at a time of his convenience and choosing. And Your Honor, you've been able to watch the scene. The attitude and conduct described herein paints the picture of an entitled offender who believes that the criminal justice system should wait for him and not that he should be answerable to it. And in the circumstances he neglected his duty to conform to the criminal justice process and it's our argument that when it appears that he may be apprehensive of the outcome of the proceedings, there is a likelihood that he would abscond trial.
Underline this, the integrity of the criminal by interfering with witnesses or intimidating them. There is a need that may arise for the court to deny bail or bond. And the other consideration, Your Honor, is that in the interest of justice, to demand for the protection of the public.
Please don't repeat what has been said by someone else.
Stands here as a victim, also wears another hat. It wears the hat of a regulator of the profession. And under Section 4 of the Act, 4B, one of the statutory functions of the society, of the law society, one of the statutory functions of the society, is to protect and assist members of the public generally. That is a statutory function. Generally, that is a statutory function, and that is one of the hats that the society wears in these proceedings. And Your Honor, based on that, the society therefore presents 5 compelling reasons to this court why the accused person should not be released on bail or bond. Number 1 is an affront to the justice system. Your Honor, it's an insult on our collective intelligence. Your Honor, one of the duties of an advocate under Section 55 of the Advocates Act is to be an officer of the court. meaning that you have a duty to the court at first as an advocate and then to your client. Your Honor, the accused person has been preferred charges of masquerading. And Your Honor, that poses a grave threat to the administration of justice. As a second, in fact, even my grandmother laughs at me now. Your Honor, the fourth reason is that producing a fake certificate as one of the charges that have been the employment, Your Honor, it poses and oftentimes leads to grave injustice. The same danger is posed by those that are not qualified to practice law or who masquerade. That is the fourth compelling reason that this society presents to deny the accused person has been in courts in this country. The sixth reason, Your Honor, is that they are genuine members of the public out there, and we've seen this even on social media, that the accused person has won 26 cases. 26 cases, meaning he has 26 different clients out there who believed that he was an advocate. And Your Honor, that poses a grave danger to the public. Your Honor, if you were to release him, the seventh reason, Your Honor, is that the accused has no gainful employment or fixed place of abode.
You said you are dominating on 5.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm finishing in another 1.5. No gainful employment or fixed place of abode. Your Honor, in terms of character and antecedents, Your Honor, the accused, Your Honor, not only as he injured us as members of the legal profession, he wants to use his story to lionize himself. To tell his story as a sort of a Robin Hood of this profession. Your Honor, what that means is that your court, as the court that ensures that the integrity of this profession and the criminal justice system is maintained, must look at that antecedent. Your Honor, in the alternative, if you were to grant him bail, we pray that you grant him bond terms and no cash bail. Your Honor, impose a gag on him. Impose a gag on commentary in the social media, because, Your Honor, it's causing further damage to the legal profession in an irreparable manner. Your Honor, and this gag should also go to his political godfathers. And those want to associate with the story or narrative as he puts it. And, Your Honor, he should present himself to the police for investigation or plea taking whenever is required and not at his convenience.
We took 2 years ago.
Yes. In case of new charges. Because the prosecution has said that there was an ongoing investigation about other matters. Your Honor, it's important that this matter is a matter that is for this court and not on the social media, and therefore the accused person, his godfathers, and those that want to sponsor him should not comment about this case and try to lionize him out of his criminal antecedents. Thank you, Your Honor, for the time that you gave us.
And I've discovered that I have misadvised the court on the issue of the law during my submissions regarding to the standard that should be taken. Your Honor, I indicate that there are 2 others against Republic reported in the year 2017 of electronic Kenya law report, which confirm and rule that the standard is the balance of Mayadi and Vice Court. Yes.
You'll go first.
Yes, I'll go first, then Senior will go. Now, pursuant to your advice, I take a preacher's view. I will take the tone and a religious view. One, Your Honor, that do unto others what you expect to be done to you. Point argument is one. The DCI has refused, neglected, or rejected to do an affidavit. The DPP cannot swear that affidavit. That tells you a lot. The DCI is the only constitutional body allowed to investigate. Nowhere is LSK given that mandate. No affidavit by the DCI to show the accused never appeared before them. No affidavit from the DCI to show his flight reason. Actually, the Law Society of Kenya, its membership, just a minute. Its membership, where I belong, completely feels ashamed of the council. Number two, Your Honor, you have been told this is a public interest matter. Former governor and others are presenting the accused as an advocate. You know, when you look at social media,
Sorry. Pardon? Former governor and others?
they have told you of public interest, that the accused is showing himself to the public and extorting them as an adult. The photos I've given, just
Mr. Mari,
Yes,
you
sir.
said some release.
fine. The release order is okay.
Sorry for that. Told my, we were to have a meeting, so all my colleagues have gone. I'm the only one remaining.
Thank you. We understand the job of the head of station.
And there are people who have paid fines. Can't keep them.
You know, kind permission, as you have 2 minutes, as you have decided that, be escorted.
It's okay. It's okay.
Thank you.
This one I can't read. I can't read. Yes, Mr. Omari.
Yes, Your Honor, I said I'll be very, very brief.
Yes, Mr.
Yes, Your Honor, it is the council.
Sorry, Your Honor, to interject. I don't know, the court has not made on whether or not it's proper for us to consider to proceed without the case to person, although the application has been made.
Don't delay time.
It's an important question of law. Very important. It's very important because it may initiate these proceedings. Then maybe as we wait for the case, we'll also give notice that will be.
Yes, Mr.
Can I proceed?
Yes, please.
Your Honor, the accused does not intend to produce the documents as exhibit.
May I say something?
Your Honor, I'm on my feet.
May I say something, Your Honor?
Allow me to speak so that...
No, I think you better sit down. Honor, we would like to make an order for this young man to be released on bail immediately so that he is free. I am of the old order. dignity of the bar. It's clearly what it should be. I'd like to be very respectful without saying very much. Saying very much. You order the release of this young man forthwith. In the place of what you have said. Without any conditions. I now have information. If you want us to resume, we can resume later on. Again, I appeal to you. For the sake of good order, it is possible and in the country. The order is released immediately. And you give us a suggestion, you can affect it. And you want to, may I say with respect, take what I've said to you.
I stop there to save the Law Society of Kenya.
Yeah.
Let's proceed.
Your Honor, if I may
That's
tell you, as one who has been a member of the Law Society, the Law Society of Kenya spearheaded this secondary declaration in the country.
He's writing my ruling.
Hmm?
He's doing my ruling.
No, I don't want to do my ruling. I want to just release it. Your Honor, I'm not asking Your Honor to make a ruling. All I'm saying to you, release this young man. What time is it now? What time is it? What time is it?
It's violating the ruling to release him. He must write.
No.
He can't release verbally.
Don't write that. The second liberation in this country was made by the Law Society of Kenya. At the time I'm just in the court, people are skipping somehow for me. People are skipping Mwenda. People like Jamala. Above all, let us also save the dignity of this court. You will not write a ruling, just make an order. Coming on walk back. We are joined the matter and you give us another day. We have to preserve the institutions we have under our constitution. Again, I think that he is a young man. It's not a threat to a court or else when I also come to talk, things will go back.
So, Dr. Kamiba, when do you want to come back?
Your Honor, I always obey you. If you tell me when you want me to come, I will drop whatever I have. I always obey what you say. And you know, I have appeared before you many times. Many times. I always obey you. If you tell me, Kamino, come tomorrow, come next week, come in December, when you have probably relaxed during the holy month, I will do it. But I always obey you. So if you tell me, Kamino, come